Welcome to the Lesson 8 to 86 Essential Words for TOEFL. Let's get started. 85th word, edict. Edict means official order or proclamation issued by person in authority. Official order or proclamation issued by person in authority. For example,
however, much more paradoxical edicts were issued under the totalitarian regime. However, much more paradoxical edicts were issued under the totalitarian regime.
Synonyms: decree, order, command.
American pronunciation: edict. Edict.
British pronunciation: edict. Edict.
86th word, zenith. Zenith means time at which something is most powerful or successful. Time at which something is most powerful or successful. For example,
this is the zenith of engineering achievement. This is the zenith of engineering achievement.
Synonyms: highest point, high point, crowning point.
American pronunciation: zenith. Zenith.
British pronunciation: zenith. Zenith.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.